This video walks you through how to void a bill in Xero. Begin in your Xero account and look to the top menu. From there, click Purchases to open the purchasing area where your bills and other purchase records are organized. Once the menu opens, select Bills. This takes you to the Bills page where Xero groups bills by their current status so you can find the one you need before making any changes. On the Bills screen, open the Awaiting Payment tab. That tab shows bills that have been approved but not yet paid, which is where the bill needs to be for this process. If you are on a different tab, the bill you want may not appear in the list, so make sure you are viewing Awaiting Payment before continuing. With that tab open, look through the list and find the bill you want to void. When you have the correct bill in view, tick the checkbox beside it. Take a moment here to confirm that you are selecting the right bill, since the next action is applied to the item you check in the list. After selecting the bill, go above the list and click Void. This tells Xero that you want to remove that bill from active records without marking it as paid. As soon as you click Void, a confirmation window will appear on screen. In the Void confirmation window, look over the details shown there. You will see a section labeled Ready to Void. Check that the bill you selected appears in that section. This is the point where you confirm that the correct item is about to be voided. If the bill listed there is the one you intended to change, continue to the next button in the window. Click Continue to void one item. After you select it, Xero will process the request and void the selected bill. Depending on your connection, this may take a brief moment, then the status will update in Xero once the action is complete. If you are following along in your own account, the key part of this process is working from the Awaiting Payment tab, selecting the bill with its checkbox, and then confirming the bill again in the Ready to Void section before you continue. That confirmation window is there to help you verify the item one last time before Xero applies the change. Once Xero finishes processing, the bill you selected will no longer remain in the active Awaiting Payment list as an unpaid bill. The action has been completed through the Void command and confirmed through the final prompt inside the confirmation window. The selected bill in Xero is now voided.